YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's 180 pressure side pool cleaner. We're going to take this thing apart from the outside in. Stay tuned. All right, guys, and we're back. So again, today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Polaris's 180 pressure side pool cleaner. As you guys can tell from the intro, I don't have a cleaner anymore. I just have a base with the idler wheel as well as your swing arm. You guys will need to remove the base in order to get access to this. It's a lot easier. There's an internal screw that you actually need to remove to get the swing arm off if you're replacing it. So make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We'll actually have a playlist available for you guys on all the quick fixes for this video or for this cleaner on how to actually get the base off. So once you've done that and you come back to this video, the tool you're going to need will actually be a flathead screwdriver. So we're going to go ahead and take off the actual idler wheel. So first thing you're going to do is just remove the plastic wheel screw here in the middle. So again, we've got a video showing you guys how to remove them all off of the other wheels, making sure that you guys choose the widest flathead that you guys can find, preferably not any kind of small flathead, just because you don't want to start creating ridges inside these wheel screws as they're plastic. So the wider the better on that. So once you guys remove the wheel screw, the idler wheel will slide out. Again, this idler wheel will have two bearings, just the same as all the other wheels on the cleaner. So there's one that goes in on one side and one goes on the other. There's actual perforation in the middle that won't allow you guys to push them out, so you'll have to pull them out from each side. So as you guys can tell, you just get your finger right there and just kind of pull it out and you'll be able to get it. So once you guys have done any quick fixes that you need to do with the idler wheel, now you guys will look at the actual swing arm. So this entire assembly again is important to the functionality of the cleaner, so making sure that all of this is working is very important. It does have a tiny little spring here, so that tends to break or fall off. So it is a full piece. As you guys can tell, the actual plastic hook here is part of the base. So if that actual part has broken, then you need to purchase a brand new base. But if the spring is gone or any of this actual swing arm is broken, then this is where you'll need to remove the base completely in order to get access to the screw that's actually inside the cleaner. So again, this one you're going to want a smaller screwdriver in order to be able to get in there, because a larger screwdriver will not make it easy. So you're going to go ahead and remove that while holding on the outside. Just makes it easier. All right, so once you remove that, then you'll have most of the swing arm can kind of come apart. Obviously the spring is attached to that screw still, so you'll want to remove that little screw in order to completely get the swing arm off. Now again, this swing arm will come with all of those parts for you guys, so you guys do not need to worry about purchasing just one little part. It will come with all of them included. But again, important to the functionality of the cleaner. So if it's not operating correctly, we highly recommend that you fix it and get that swapped out. We'll have it all available in the links in the description for you guys, so then that way you guys can take a look. But again, if this little U shape is actually broken and that's what's causing your issue, you will need to purchase a new base. It's not part of the actual swing axle kit. So yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We're going to have some more videos headed your guys' way. But until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.